In a VMware Horizon environment, LDAP plays a critical role in both user authentication and configuration management. Microsoft Active Directory (LDAP) is primarily used for user authentication, group lookups, and credential validation. It allows Horizon to search for and verify users within the enterprise. On the other hand, Horizon LDAP or ADLDS stores Horizon-specific configuration data. This includes desktop pool settings, user entitlements, and global environment variables. Horizon uses this internal LDAP to store critical configuration info, ensuring that all connection servers in a pod share the exact same settings. Specifically, it holds information on desktop and application pools, RDS farms, entitlements, and global policies required for delivery. Whenever a new connection server is added, it automatically synchronizes its configuration through this built-in LDAP replication process. If Horizon LDAP fails, users might still log in through Active Directory, but Horizon won't be able to read configurations or assign desktops correctly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.